Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing about how we booked a room in Switzerland and where we stayed. As you can see on the screen, this is the place where we stayed. It is a central bedroom and amazing viewed apartment, and we used Airbnb for booking our stay there. So basically when we will be using the Airbnb, we will be checking for the super host specifically, and we found a very good host named Doris, and here they will mention what is the cost per night, and you can select the date when you want to check in and when you will be checking out, and the number of guests you need to mention. So the main thing which we need to focus here is we need to see these descriptions, because specifically this will say like whether the flat is a private one or it is only the room is private and what is the state. If you see in this apartment, it's a private room, bedroom is private, but bathroom and kitchen will be shared. And when you scroll down, you will be checking the amenities. They will say what are the amenities it is supported in that particular flat or the stay area. So in this particular thing, the amenities will be Wi-Fi, laptop-friendly workspace, etc., etc. And the amenities which will not be supported, it will be strike and ban. And accessibility, you can check whether they have the lift and everything. You will have to check about this, because most of the places in European countries, they won't support the lift. We have faced the experience specifically with respect to this. And this particular calendar will show when is the availability you will be having for this particular room, and the reviews, of course. And if you check these photos, initially we thought these are like fake photos, we might not get this view from the rooms and all, but later on we understood this is a very genuine photos they are posting it on their host channel or Airbnb. So this is the exact view we were getting when we were in that place. And this is very near to the railway station, and the travel, commuting and other stuff will be very easy when we selected this one. And this is the kitchen, and they will provide a lot of amenities like tea powders and other stuff which you can use. This is the dining area. Yeah, this is the view from the room where they will allow you to stay, and this is the living area. Of course, this one also, and the washroom, and this is a photo of the
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹಾಲು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿ, ಕೂಲ್ ಏರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಐಸ್ ಗ್ಲೇಸಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು. ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಫುಲ್ ಮೋಡ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ಮೋಡ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೋದೇನೋ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಇದಿದ್ದು ರೂಮು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೇನೋ ಜಾಗ, ಟವನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೂ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೂ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಮಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ರೂಮು. ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ರೂಮ್. ವಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ನೋಡಂಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾವಿದ್ದೀಗ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೈಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯೂನು. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಸಲ್, ಟೂನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.